polynomials. Let us do some example problems. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. And verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Here one polynomial is given, that is x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the given polynomial. Now we should find out the value of x, that is 0 of the polynomial we have to find. Let us do factorization method. In factorization we will multiply the last term with first term. 10 into x square, 10x square. Divide this 10x square into two factors. On adding the two factors we should get the middle term. So it is 5x, 2x. If you add it is 7x. If you multiply it is 10x square. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Here we have to take x common, x plus 5. Here we take 2 common, again we will get x plus 5. Now in both x plus 5 is there, let us take x plus 5 as common. So inside we will get x plus 2. Product of two numbers 0, either first one is 0 or second one is 0. So we will get x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 2. So in this quadratic polynomial, x will have two values called zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of the polynomial, first one is alpha minus 5, second one is beta minus 2. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. Now let us verify the relation between coefficients and zeros. So given polynomial is x square plus 7x plus 10. X square coefficient is called A, x coefficient is called B, constant is C. This is ABC values. X square coefficient is A, that is 1, x coefficient is B, that is 7, constant is C. Now alpha plus beta should be equal to minus B by A and alpha beta should be equal to C by A. These two should be equal. Now alpha plus beta, minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus B by A minus 7 by 1. That is minus 7 is equal to, we will get minus 7. Now alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Alpha into beta minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to C by A, 10 by 1. That is 10 is equal to 10. Right, second example. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Let us consider the given polynomial. So given polynomial is x square minus 3. First we have to take x square minus 3 equal to 0, then we will get zeros of the polynomial. X square minus 3 is 0, x square is equal to 3, x is equal to plus or minus root 3. X will have two values called zeros of the polynomial. First value is represented by alpha, second value is represented by beta. So alpha value is root 3, beta value is minus root 3. Now consider the polynomial x square minus, here x term is not there, let us write 0 into x minus 3. X term is missing, you have to write 0 into x. So x square coefficient is called a, that is 1, x coefficient is called b, that is 0, constant is c, that is minus 3. Now first we have to find alpha plus beta, this should be equal to minus b by a. And next alpha beta should be equal to c by a. Now alpha plus beta, root 3 minus root 3, this is equal to minus b by a. Root 3 minus root 3 cancel, we will get 0 is equal to 0. Now alpha beta, root 3 into minus root 3 is equal to c by a minus 3 by 1. Plus into minus, minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Right, third example. Find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Find a quadratic polynomial the sum and product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Here we have to write a quadratic polynomial. Sum of the zeros is minus 3. Product of the zeros is 2. So let the zeros of the polynomial be alpha beta. Let us suppose zeros of the polynomial be alpha beta. Now one condition is given that sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is minus 3. Product of the zeros alpha beta is 2. Sum of the zeros is given as minus 3. Product of the zeros is given as 2. Now quadratic polynomial we have to write. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. that is x square minus x into alpha plus beta is given as minus 3, alpha beta is given as 2. So x square minus into minus, it is 3x plus 2. So if sum of the zeros is minus 3, product of the zeros is given as 2, then the formula to write quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Right, next example. Find a quadratic polynomial if the zeros of it are 2 and minus 1 by 3 respectively. Here zeros of the in the previous problem, sum of the zeros, product of the zeros is given. Now here zeros of the polynomial are given. So given that first one is alpha, that is 2, second one is beta, that is minus 1 by 3. Zeros of the polynomial are given. Now we have to find alpha plus beta first, that is 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 3 we will get. Next we have to find alpha into beta. 2 into minus 1 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3. After getting alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, now we have to write the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, that is x square minus x into alpha plus beta. Here we got 5 by 3. Let us substitute. Alpha beta is minus 2 by 3. So x square minus 5 by 3 into x plus into minus minus 2 by 3. So this is the quadratic polynomial. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are given, that is alpha value, beta value, first we have to find alpha plus beta, next we have to find alpha into beta. After getting those values, now quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Here we have to substitute. Find a cubic polynomial whose sum sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and product of the zeros as 2, 7, minus 14 respectively. 2, 7, minus 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. Here we have to write a cubic polynomial. Given condition is sum of the zeros is 2, sum of the product of the zeros taken at a time is minus 7. This is product of the zeros. So first let zeros of the cubic polynomial be let us suppose zeros of the cubic polynomial be alpha, beta, gamma. Now the condition given is sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is 2. Sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this is minus 7. Next, product of the zeros, this is minus 14. These are the three given conditions: sum of the zeros, sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, product of the zeros. Now the cubic polynomial we have tried. So cubic polynomial is x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. This is the formula to write the cubic polynomial. X cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. So x cube minus x square into this value is given as 2 plus x into this value is given as minus 7. This value is given as minus 14. So it is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This is the required cubic polynomial. So first we have to suppose the zeros of the polynomial as alpha, beta, gamma. Sum of the zeros is 2. Sum of the product of the zeros taken at a time is minus 7. Product of the zeros is minus 14. Now the cubic polynomial is x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. Here we have to substitute, we will get the answer.